Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to teach you what is transit and how to see it. So before beginning, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please to mention it in my below comment section, okay? And yes, please to like and follow my Facebook community page Parikshit Astrology, where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So let's begin. So, astrological transit are one of the main means used in horoscopic astrology to forecast future trends and developments. The other features used in astrological progression which progresses the horoscope in time according to set methods. As its name implies, astrological transit involve a method of interpreting the ongoing movement of planets as they transit the horoscope. This is most often done for the birth or natal chart of a particular individual. Particular attention is paid to changes of sign or house and to the aspects or angles the transiting planets make with the natal chart. Before going to transit chart, you need to know important things. Those are your placements of planet in your birth chart and also the Mahadasha, Antardasha, Pratyanta Dasha. How many number of days does the planet stays in each zodiac sign? That also you need to know. Like say for example, Saturn stays in 2.5 years in each zodiac sign. Likewise, Jupiter 1 year, Rahu Ketu 18 months, Sun Venus both 1 month, Mercury 15 to 60 days, Mars 2 months nearly, and Moon 2.5 days. Now, the purpose of transit is to seek for career, timing of marriage, timing of children, timing of properties, timing of vehicle, and many more. Now, transit is also known as Gochar in India. So, the example, so this is the first example, chart number 1. So, how to predict the timing of vehicle? Say, for example, this person has bought the vehicle on November 1st week. So, I can't reveal the birth details and all, it's confidential. Now, this person is Aquarius ascendant. So, in order to see the timing of vehicle, first you need to check the condition of Venus because it's a Karaka for vehicle. You need to check the condition of 4th house, planet sitting in the 4th house, planet aspecting the 4th house, planet transiting the 4th house, and planet aspecting the 4th house in the transit chart. You need to check the 4th house Lord condition where it is placed in the birth chart. You need to check what planets are conjuncted with the 4th house Lord and planet aspecting the 4th house Lord. And you need to check the transit chart where the 4th house Lord is transiting. Now, after all checking this condition, you need to check whether the person is having the promise of getting vehicle or not. Now, after that checking this condition, first check which Mahadasha the person is running. So the Mahadasha also plays a major important role in person life in order to get the vehicle or properties or anything. Now, for example, in this person's chart, it's Aquarius ascendant. The 4th house Lord is Venus. So Venus is sitting in the 7th house. So Venus itself is the Karaka for vehicle. So no need to check any other placements. Now Venus is in the 7th house. That shows that the Venus has moved 4 places away from it. So this is nothing but Bhavat Bhavan. So if you don't know about the Bhavat Bhavan concept, so just press this I button, you will get to know. And Venus is placed very well in the 7th house. That shows that surely this person will get vehicle during the Venus Dasa itself. Now, this person got the vehicle during November 1st week. So, check the Mahadasha that the person is running. In 2019, the person got November 1st week. Now, the person is going to Rahu Mahadasha, Antardasha of Ketu, Pratyanta of Venus during 2019. And that too during November, the person is going under. So, this person was going under Rahu, Ketu, and Venus. So, Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Antardasha, Venus Pratyanta Dasha. So, again, see, Venus came there. Venus is being the 4th house Lord and also the 9th house Lord, and Venus is the Karaka of vehicle. So confirmed there. And in the transit chart, Venus is in the 10th house. So November 1st week, I won't tell you the date. So Venus is in the 10th house aspecting the 4th house. That shows that surely this person will have the chances of getting the vehicle, and this person has got the vehicle during the November first week. This is how you need to see the transit chart. Okay. Now coming to the timing of getting job. Now for example, those person who don't have job, you need to check these conditions that I'm going to tell you now. Now the person got the job on March 10, 2020. Note, for job, second house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house are seen because second house represent income, 6th house represents service, 10th house represent your career, 11th house represent hopes and wishes. Now also you need to check these lords, also lords of these houses. Those are second house lord, 6th house lord, 10th house lord and 11th house lord. Also any planet sitting in these houses and also transiting these houses. Now this person is Pisces ascendant, first house has Saturn, second house is empty, third house has moon, fourth house empty, fifth house empty, sixth house has Rahu, seventh house is empty, eighth house is empty, ninth house is empty, 10th house has Sun and Mercury, 11th house has Mercury and Venus, 12th house has Jupiter and Ketu. So for job 2, 6, 10, 11 you need to check. So second house is empty, 6th house has Rahu, 10th house has Sun and Mercury, 11th house has Mars and Venus. So during the Mahadasha of Rahu, Sun, Mercury, Mars or Venus, this person will get job. That's for sure. So he was running under the Rahu Mahadasha and he was running under the Antardasha of Saturn. Saturn being the 11th house lord is sitting in that first house. So chances are more getting job. And what I told you, the date is the March 10th, right? So March 10th, the person was going under the Dasha of Rahu, Saturn and Venus and also Saturn. So Rahu Mahadasha, Saturn and Dasha, Venus Pratyanta Dasha. Again, so Rahu is in the 6th house, okay, confirmed. Saturn is in the first house being the 11th house lord, confirmed. Venus is in the 11th house, that too also confirmed, being the 3rd house lord and 8th house lord. So finally it's confirmed that this person will get surely job during Rahu Mahadasha or Saturn Mahadasha or even Venus Mahadasha or any Antardasha or Pratyanta Dasha. Now coming to the transit chart, during transit chart 10th house lord is sitting in the 10th house and Venus is in the 2nd house. So Mahadasha is Rahu, Saturn and Venus. Rahu is in the 4th house, Venus is in the 2nd house. Okay, 2nd house is also very much responsible for the getting job. So 6th house is empty, 10th house has Jupiter and Mars and Ketu, 11th house has Saturn. So Venus and Saturn made the person to get the job. So this is how you need to analyze the transit chart. So even for other also like timing of children, timing of marriage, you need to analyze like this only. So thank you. So yeah, this is it for today guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below or else I'll see you in the next video. So if you want any consultancy, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number or else you can even mail me also. So until and thus, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.